The Daikin Air Purifier is packed with advanced technologies and comes in a compact, portable design. Our air filtration technology has the ability to eliminate large particles such as dust, microscopic particles such as pollens, allergens, and also to remove odors. The 6 layers of filtration are a streamer discharge unit, a pre-filter, a plasma ionizer, an electrostatic filter, a titanium apatite deodorizing filter, and a deodorizing catalyst filter.
The air purifier is great because we can have it in the living room during the day and then we just move it into the kids' bedrooms at night time.
Our youngest daughter's got asthma, so we put it in there at night to try and help with that. One of the other good features is that it's really, really quiet, so it doesn't wake her up during night. And it's nice, neat, lightweight, so it is easy to move around from room to room.
The Daikin Air Purifier has a high airflow rate. It's suited for large rooms up to 46 metres squared. It's also designed with a power saver inverter to deliver high operational efficiencies.
The streamer technology discharges electrons that oxidizes and decomposes odors, allergens, and other contaminants.
As our youngest does have asthma, I did a lot of research online and I found that the Daikin did come out on top.
The purifier is sensitive choice approved, which is great for people with asthma or other allergies.
The turbo mode can quickly clean the air when activated or when the room is exceptionally contaminated.
Yeah, so we contacted our local Daikin specialist. He was really good. He explained the unit to us and how it worked. Told us that it'll do up to 46 square metres, which is really good. So it will do a really large living area where our kids can play during the day, but it's still lightweight enough to be able to move into the bedrooms at night while they're sleeping.